Hey, over there too. Look, it's popping over there. Shit. Huh? Over there too.
What?
It's popping over there. Man, water's fucking gross. I got one. Yep, I got one. Let's go, boys and girls. First one of 2022. Got him on the Old Faithful. Alright, buddy. Have fun. Bah! Nasty ass water. Gross. Sucked it out. The Old Faithful. Caught a 4-pounder on this on the drop the other day. See if we can do the same. What? Che, vato, pareces nuevo. ¿Sabes por dónde te traigo? Oh. Oh, I just missed a bite. Fuck. During the summer, I'm sure they'll smack frogs here. No doubt. Got another one. There's some feels nice. Oh, this is this one, dude. This is nice. Oh, I just got fucking smacked, bro. I just got smacked so hard. Got one. Nice. Nice little guy. We got another one. We've got another one. Make it 3. Call it a hat trick. Helicopter, helicopter. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you. Bitch bit it and then spit it out right as I set the fucking hook. Big money right here. Big money.
What you caught? You caught one on a worm and then you caught 2
I caught 2 on the worm One on a lipless and one on a medium diving crankbait.
Lizards swim in the water?
I don't know. They had the Jesus lizard, that one. This is how you do it. You see? This is how we do it in San Diego. We're out here in San Diego Hidden Reservoir. You know? Catching motherfuckers. Told this motherfucker to throw a jig and he didn't want to throw a jig. Make it number 5, boys and girls. Number 5. A good